Snape,
What is going on? This is not what I expected at all.
Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Oh
Singing
my.
a song.
All right, I'm going to be doing some reaction videos as a first-time reader. Just finished all of the Harry Potter books, just watched all of the Harry Potter movies, and I've been waiting for the right moment to sit down and start enjoying some of the Harry Potter pop culture references. I remember in middle school, people were watching some video with the puppet one and something like a rap one, and those have been on my list. So a couple friends compiled a list of all the other videos I need to watch, and I'm going to react to all of them because I'm pretty eager to dive into this. All right, Harry Potter Puppet Pals, the mysterious ticking noise. Let's see what this is all about. It's like our theme music right now. Snape, of course.
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
John does a better Snape
Not over
voice than
here,
this.
not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape,
What
Snape,
in the world am I
Severus Snape,
looking at?
Dumbledore.
Snape,
Oh my
Severus
goodness, I've heard
Snape,
people reference
Dumbledore.
this.
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Tell me
Snape.
this is what the whole
Severus
video is about.
Snape,
Oh
Snape.
my
Severus
goodness.
Snape,
I have heard people say that Ron Weasley part.
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snape,
Hermione.
I'm losing brain
Severus
cells.
Snape,
Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry
Severus
Potter. Harry Potter.
Snape,
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
I'm only halfway through.
Harry.
Oh
Harry.
my.
Harry.
What is going on? This is not what I expected at
Harry
all.
Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Oh
Singing
my
a song all
goodness.
day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yeah.
What is happening? Are you serious?
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Okay, nice. Oh, wow. Okay, that was not what I expected. I don't know what I did expect, but maybe with the musical being another one that I need to watch, I thought this was going to be more of a story or something. Wow. Hey, I can't hate on it. That is going to be stuck in my head now for a while. So, all right. We're off to quite a start. No wonder this was buzzing in middle school. If we had smartphones, I'm sure someone would have shown this to me at the lunch table, but wow. I'm going to have to process that one. 17 years ago. Okay. That I'm just dumbfounded. I am at a loss for words. I hate to say it's only up from here. But that was a funny and weird start. All right, let's see what else we got.